Welcome to another incredible look inside the world of forestry and logging. In today's video, we're taking you straight into the heart of the industry. First of all, take a close look at this impressive log truck in action. Unlike regular trucks that rely on separate loaders, this one has an inbuilt crane, allowing it to load logs entirely by itself. The operator positions the crane's claw with precision, gripping the heavy logs and placing them neatly onto the trailer. You can see how efficiently it works. No need for additional machinery or manpower at the loading site. The system is designed to handle extremely heavy loads, making it ideal for remote forest areas where moving a loader would be impractical. Once the logs are stacked and secured, the truck can set off to the mill without delay. In this scene, the team is tasked with removing a tree dangerously close to a house. A high-risk job that requires skill, precision, and teamwork. The first step involves a climber making his way up the tree using ropes for support. With steady hands and a secure grip, he moves carefully to position himself for the work ahead. Once in place, he begins removing the branches using a lightweight hand chainsaw. This process not only makes the tree easier to handle but also ensures the falling sections won't damage nearby structures. Finally, when the branches are clear, the team works together to cut down the main trunk. Depending on the situation, they may cut it in sections or let it fall in a controlled manner. Watching this, it's clear that sometimes tree removal is straightforward, but when it's near buildings, it demands careful planning. The precision and teamwork on display here are a testament to professional logging crews who keep safety as the top priority while handling tough jobs like this one. Here, we see a fully loaded log truck completely stuck in deep mud. The wheels spin without gaining any traction, and the weight of the logs makes it impossible to move on its own. It's a situation that can bring operations to a halt. Enter the green giant, a massive forestry machine coming to the rescue. Even for a machine of this size and strength, pulling out such a heavy load is no easy task. The operators know this will require careful strategy to avoid damaging either vehicle.
Well, we just got the truck.
They disconnect the two trailers from the truck to lighten the load. With the weight reduced, the rescue machine positions itself for maximum pulling power. Thick tow cables are attached, and the engine roars as it applies steady force to free the truck.
Just go. That either. Should be folding it up. See if she released now. Now she'll roll easy. She's gonna lean this way a little bit. No reason for concern, no. This is where the ugly spot was. With that rock on there, that'll make a big difference.
After a tense moment, the truck finally breaks free from the mud, proving that even in challenging terrain, teamwork and the right machinery can save the day. This scene shows just how tough and unpredictable logging operations can be.
Too easy. Now we gotta get that chip man out. But that'll roll out easy. Think that log truck will back in there? We're gonna find out. Now we gotta hook it back up. That's not easy. Back a minute to win it. Well, we did it. Wasn't easy. But now we gotta get a chip van out of there. Smack that pin's not down all the way. Gotta fix that too. And a good heavy load of hardwood there. Huh, what's up with that? May have to investigate. There was that rock over there was what was stopping. That was nothing.
In this clip, watch as a polar carrier takes on the task of transporting a Komatsu harvester. These harvesters are incredibly powerful, but like all heavy forestry equipment, they sometimes need to be moved between worksites rather than driving long distances on their own. The polar carrier is built for exactly this purpose, designed to carry massive, heavy machines securely. With precision, the operator drives the harvester onto the carrier's platform, ensuring perfect alignment for safe transport. Once in position, the harvester is secured with chains and locking mechanisms to prevent any movement during travel. Seeing two massive machines working together in this way is a reminder of how the forestry industry relies on specialized equipment for every stage of the job. Watch this giant skidder at work, a true powerhouse in the logging industry. Built for strength and endurance, this machine is designed to drag massive logs from deep within the forest to the loading area. Its rugged tires, heavy-duty frame, and powerful engine make it perfectly suited for even the roughest terrains. The operator maneuvers the skidder with precision, gripping several logs at once using its strong grapple. Each log can weigh hundreds of kilograms, but the skidder handles them effortlessly, proving just how vital it is to modern forestry operations. Here we see a specialized loading machine in action, transferring freshly cut logs onto a waiting truck. The hydraulic arm reaches out with incredible precision, gripping each log and placing it perfectly on the trailer. The smooth, controlled movement is the result of both advanced engineering and the skill of the operator.
Você vai colocar só o laço, só acho que é só o laço só, né? Vai colocar. E o skid tá ali, galera. Hoje esse
Log loading is a critical step in the forestry supply chain. Without efficient loading, transportation slows down and productivity drops. This machine is built to handle logs of varying sizes, from smaller branches to massive tree trunks. The operator works quickly, stacking the logs in a way that maximizes the load space while keeping the weight evenly distributed. Proper stacking is essential for safe transportation, especially when traveling long distances over
Aí, só
uneven
meia
roads.
carga.
Here we see a skidder effortlessly transporting a load of logs through the forest. Skidders play a critical role in the logging process, dragging felled trees from where they're cut to a landing area. In this clip, watch the skidder take on a challenging winter environment. Snow covers the ground, making traction more difficult and visibility lower. Yet, this machine is built for such conditions, with massive tires and chains providing the grip it needs. Now we arrive at the sawmill, where these massive logs are turned into usable timber. Watch as enormous tree trunks move toward the sawmill's giant blade, a high-speed cutting machine that slices through solid wood in a minute. The blade spins at incredible speeds, and with such power, safety is absolutely critical. Operators must stay alert at all times, as even the smallest mistake could lead to serious accidents. This is one of the most dangerous workstations in the entire forestry process. Share this video with anyone who loves the power of heavy equipment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your engines running and your saws sharp.